Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 103 of Building the Tumbler, the Batmobile of the Dark Knight trilogy. This time we're continuing a little bit of a build with the sub-assembly of the emergency air brake, I think is what they called it. But looking at computers of protect and heal, Batman's long and dangerous career, few Batmobiles have proved as serviceable as the one from 2000. Don't know why it was more serviceable. There you go. Feel free to pause and read all of the words if you so desire. Batman Earth 1. I've heard of Earth 1, but I'm not sure. Don't know. I've not actually read it, but I've heard of it. So there you go. Very different Catwoman than the one we used to. Yeah, she's not wearing very many clothes apart from anything else. So yes, this is the emergency air brake chassis, which we've got the part from last time, the emergency frame and the back plate, which we're just going to attach onto there with a couple of screws. That's all we're doing today. A couple of screws in to hold that in place, and then ready for the left emergency air brake next time. So yeah, so we're going to obviously the left one fitting it, then the right one fitting it, and then we'll go on from there, no doubt. So let me clear this out of the way and let's get these parts put together. Yes, so here we go. This is the frame piece that we've got. And this is the part from last time, which we're putting onto there. A bit like that. There's two screw holes to hold that in place, which are just on the outsides there. So that slips over that. We have more than one screw in here. So we'll get two of those out from that. Keep that one safe with the other one for later. And just a case of in those into those holes to hold that together. So apart from this, as I say, next time we're starting one of the other ailerons. I've not even seen it. I looking back on the film, extra flaps and things, I wouldn't have missed it if this whole thing wasn't there. But obviously it is. So this is what we need to build. I did, after finishing down the video last time, push those in a little bit more securely. So they're all the way in, as are the valves things there. And that's what we're ending up with at the moment. I'm assuming it's going to be that way up, with those sort of folding down, because that's sort of the shape of the back of the Batmobile. And the vents are going to go on there, the aileron. And that's obviously going to attach through that silver bit that we've got coming out the back still, that moved a little bit. So yeah, another part completed. Thank you very much for watching. I shall see you for more very soon when we're doing the left, probably this side, because this is going to be going forward that way, isn't it? So yeah, thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.